guys, we're playing Cheese Escape. So let's go play. Find 9 cheese to escape. Let's go. Extra life, we don't need that. Oh no! Bro, that's enough. I'm just joking. We're not gonna end video like this. Go, please. I got the gang, bro. I got the gang. Let's go, guys. Ooh, there's a cheese. There's a queso. Bro. Run. At least I get the cheese. That's the first thing I love. Okay, let's go. There's the rat. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Hey, open this. Oh, no. Run. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. This gonna be alright. Bro, what is happening? I'm the dinosaur in the muchacha. Banana cha-cha. Ooh, there's a queso. Not bad. Yeah. That's not a bad cheese. That's a yummy cheese. Pinapatak ko yung cheese eh. Ooh, dito yung escape. Oh, may tres na tayo, guys. Run. Oh, no, my friend. No. Okay. Are you here? Hello? It's not here. We're all good. Yeah, we're all good. I cannot. Bro, you have a fata. Juke. Get juke. Let's go, gang. Okay, let's run. Oh no, Ratatouille, boy. Run, my Ratatouille. I love you, my Ratatouille. Click. Man. Okay, let's go. Ratatouille cannot find me in here because I killed the Ratatouille. Because we're gonna run if Ratatouille comes here. Ratatouille, he cannot follow me. Ratatouille, let's take a picture. Hi, Ratatouille, run. Hey, Ratatouille. Wait lang, guys. I can't. Wait lang, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Emotan lang natin siya. Done. Look, guys. We are the coolest in the world. I love Ratatouille. Where's Ratatouille? I'm gonna dance over here. Of Ratatouille. Oh my goodness. I almost shit myself. Let's go over here. Yeah, we're chilling. Like dancing. Like dancing, guys. Oh, we have this. We have this. Because we are smart. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's run. Oh, I tell you, I know I got enough. I got peace. Okay. He's not following me because I'm the Ratatouille God. Damn. Eh, we can just chilling, bro. We can just chill. Yeah, I tell you, I know I got enough. I got peace. Wait, are we gonna play the emote or we just going to dance? Let's go dance. I'm just joking. Let's find the cheese.